Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. The year has run to an end, guys. It really took so long, but anyways, in this new year we are going to be starting our mornings by drinking healthy tea, healthy drinks, guys. So I have my water board and this is green tea in a cup. So I pour some of the hot water into this cup and allow this green tea get all its flavor and all its nutrients out. There will be cucumbers added to this tea, and first let's talk about cucumbers. Cucumbers are high in nutrients and they're very low in calories but rich in vitamins and minerals. Guys, you need to add cucumbers to your meal. It's so easy to add to the meal. It's very easy to add cucumbers to your meal. It also contains antioxidants, that thing that makes you look fresh. Your skin is rejuvenated, your cells are rejuvenated. It promotes hydration, you feel hydrated and you look hydrated, and it promotes weight loss. It helps in losing weight. That's what I mean. Like adding it, you feel full, there is fiber. It lowers blood sugar, or it helps lower your blood sugar. And also, like I said, it's so easy to add to your meal. I just cut it up or even eat it like that and you're good to go. Cucumbers are actually lovely. Next, I'll be adding some lemons. Lemons are good for your body. They're good for my body and they're good for your body as well. It will help support your heart health. You control your weight. In fact, taking it and adding it to your water gives it this good taste. It gives it this good taste. It will reduce certain diseases, the risk of contracting or falling ill. That's what I mean. They are rich in nutrients and vitamins, and also improve your digestive health. Guys, lemons have some fibers in them, so eating lemons or adding lemons to your meal is so good. So this tea, as you're looking at it, it's so healthy. Starting your day, starting your new year drinking healthy is, in fact, is a must. It should be a must. It's top-notch character or top-notch activity. Guys, look at my tea, and this is what I have. I have mint tea, and in the mint tea I have cucumbers, lemon. Guys, I need you to try this out. The aroma is heavenly. It's so lovely. Guys, you need to try this recipe. So now I'm done making my tea. I just take it to my bedside and chill. I'll just lie in bed sipping this tea while meditating and looking at the book I'm reading. This is just what I have now at the moment. And when I'm done, I add more water. I add more water because I need to drink more water, and with the presence of lemons and cucumbers in my water, I feel so good. The aroma alone encourages me to drink water. And guys, you need to know the health benefits of drinking water. Keeping hydrated is good for your body, your bones. You look fresh, you feel fresh and all that. So I munch on my cucumbers as I drink this water. Starting your day, starting your year drinking water is actually lovely. So this 2023, this new year, drink water, guys. Please drink your water. To encourage you drinking water, add some lemons and cucumbers like we did this time. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, guys, and comment. Stay tuned for a blooper.